Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so I got a great video for you if you guys have transmission quirky issues. Transmission quirky issues that's essentially a result of maybe a computer glitch in your vehicle, or maybe it just drives a little bit different. Let me give you guys a little background before I actually give you the easy fix for this. And it is an easy fix, and it has fixed or smoothed out a lot of transmission issues caused by your car's TCM or ECU or whichever computer module that's causing issues with your transmission. And we're talking about maybe bad idling, weird shifting. We're talking about jerkiness with your transmission. Now, if you guys don't know already, modern day vehicles, and when I say modern day vehicles, I'm talking about I'm not talking about the more recent vehicles, but vehicles with transmission control modules, and it's probably like within the last 20 years, maybe like 15 years or whatever. But basically, these computer modules in your vehicle actually, especially with the transmission control module, actually they kind of map out your driving tendencies. And every so often what happens is it gets into a mode where it drives a certain way, and when it does that, maybe a glitch in the system will cause some issues, etc., etc., and it will keep on driving that way until you actually reset the module. Now, a lot of people with these issues think that it's probably a huge problem with the transmission itself, a mechanical issue with the transmissions itself. They'll change up the transmission fluid. They'll look at the ECU, a whole bunch of different things, change out parts, etc., etc. In this situation, chances are you're probably not going to be getting any codes or check engine light on your dash. It's just that your car is shifting a bit weird from one gear to the next. It's a little bit jerky. You get some jerkiness with your shifting, and this actually does resolve a lot of issues. And you guys want to do this. You guys really want to do this before you guys do like a transmission flush, which probably don't want to do to begin with. You guys thinking about doing that, unless your transmission fluid is dirty, dark and dirty, you probably don't want to do that. You probably don't want to change out parts and everything. That's not going to be the first thing you're going to be doing, especially if your transmission fluid is clean and clear, and all you have is just maybe a little bit of weird shifting in your transmission. Now, some people will go out and change the fluid and the filter. I mean, to be honest with you, if your transmission fluid is clear, you probably want to take the step first before doing that. And I'm going to tell you guys how to do it, because if you guys take it to the shop, I guarantee you the dealership's probably going to charge you $200 just to diagnose it, and then they're probably going to tell you that you probably need a transmission fluid change, a transmission fluid flush, or worst case scenario, they're going to tell you that you're going to need some solenoids in your transmission to change up some solenoids in your transmission, and that's going to cost you in upwards of a couple $100 just for diagnosis, and probably close to $1,000, if not more, for any fixes or replacement that needs to be done with your with this issue that could probably be fixed within 1 minute. 1 minute. So basically, here's how it works. All right. Here's how it works. All right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your car on. All right. You're gonna make sure that the lights are off, the radio's off, the blower motor is off. You want to make sure that any electrical, anything that takes up any kind of electricity outside the car just running is off. Dome lights are off, radio's off, all of it's off, okay? And actually, you don't need to turn on. You really don't need to turn. You just need to, you don't need to turn the car on. You just need to turn the car to the on position where all those accessories are. If any of those accessories are working, you want to turn it off. All right. So basically, again, you want to turn it off. All right. And within 5 seconds of turning it off, you're going to turn it to the on position. The on position is that position where all the lights are on, but it's not starting. You're not going to start your vehicle. All right. What you're going to do after that is you're going to press the gas pedal, the accelerator, for 30 seconds. And you're going to count down 30 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, up to 30 seconds. 30 seconds, you're going to turn the car off, and then you're going to restart your car afterwards. At that point, just drive it a little bit. Your vehicle should reset the transmission control module, and at that point, you should be it should be reset, and your car should drive a lot better. I've heard in instances where it just drives like it's brand new after that, or everything's back to factory settings, and at that point it'll just relearn whatever your driving pattern is, so that maybe it could conserve fuel or whatever. But so basically, this is a master reset of the car's TCM. If this video has helped you guys out in any way, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys have had any of your own personal experience with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys have questions, comments, leave a question or comment in the comment section. All right, guys, appreciate your time. Take care.